Hi guys, how's everyone doing? So if you're looking at getting a healthy looking glowing skin with a dewy look without a speck of makeup, then this is what you do. You take your sunscreen, shake well before use. ये मैंने इतना सा sunscreen लिया है, and on top of that you use the MAC strobe cream. That's it. Just one drop of strobe cream, mix it with your sunscreen really well and start applying it all over your face. So what this does is, the strobe cream has those pearl particles which give that highlighter kind of an effect, which automatically then makes your face glow. And now I'll just apply a lip balm with a slight tinge of lip gloss. And here I am, getting that healthy looking glowing skin with that slight dewy look without a speck of makeup. Try it for yourself.